What's up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can send BTC from crypto.com to Coinbase. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to open up your crypto.com app. If you haven't joined the crypto.com, you can always join using the link in the description and you will get a lot of benefits. Once you do that, you just have to create an account. Once you already have an account, you will be at the home page looking something like that. Now, after being in the home page, you are going to transfer BTC from crypto.com to Coinbase. You just have to tap on the accounts, and in the accounts, tap on this crypto wallet. In the crypto wallet, you just have to select the bitcoins that you have. Now, selecting the bitcoin will bring you this. Here, you suppose you want to transfer it to your Coinbase, you just have to tap on this transfer and then tap on withdraw. After tapping on withdraw, you'll be able to see that external wallet. Tap on external wallet. Now in the external wallet, you just have to tap on add wallet address, add your wallet address from your Coinbase, and there you go. You will easily be able to verify it and then make transfer from crypto.com to Coinbase without any problem. Hope you guys find this video helpful.